everyone, welcome back to What a Hairstyle. Today we're talking about short layered bob haircuts. These are super cute and stylish. A bob is a short haircut that usually ends around your chin or shoulders. Adding layers makes it fun and bouncy. Layers are like steps in your hair that give it movement. This style is perfect for anyone who wants a fresh, easy look. Let's dive in. First, why choose a short layered bob? It's low maintenance, which means it's easy to take care of. You don't need hours to style it. The layers add volume, so your hair looks fuller. It's great for all hair types, straight, wavy, or curly. Plus, it suits most face shapes like oval or round. If you want to change without going too short, this haircut is an awesome choice. Let's talk about how to get this haircut. Visit a good hairstylist and bring a picture of the bob you like. Tell them you want a short bob with layers. The layers can be soft for a gentle look or choppy for a bold vibe. Your stylist will cut the hair shorter at the back and longer in the front. This shape makes the bob super flattering. Styling a short layered bob is so simple. After washing your hair, use a blow dryer and a round brush to add volume. You can also use a flat iron for a sleek look or a curling wand for waves. A little hairspray keeps everything in place. If you're in a rush, just add some mousse and scrunch your hair for a fun, messy style. What about products? Use a lightweight shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair healthy. A volumizing mousse is great for extra bounce. If your hair gets frizzy, try a smoothing serum. For special days, a shine spray makes your bob look glossy. Don't use too much product though, it can weigh your hair down. Just a little goes a long way for this cute haircut. This haircut is so versatile. You can wear it sleek for school or work, or add curls for a party. Try side bangs for a soft look or a middle part for something trendy. You can even pin back some layers with cute clips. The short layered bob works for any season, light for summer and cozy for winter. It's a style that always looks cool.